Alright guys, just how purplish is the Purplish Google Pixel 3a. Today we're taking a close-up and we're going to find out. So hey guys, welcome to Candid Tech TV. My name's Tim. On my channel here I actually reviewed the Pixel 2 when it came out. I bought it on launch day and then I did a bunch of videos around the Pixel 2. I did some case reviews, I did an unboxing video, setup video, things like that. So today I've got the Pixel 3a. So I'm going to do an unboxing. We're going to take a look at this. This is the purplish model. So I definitely, when I looked into it, we wanted to see how purple really is this thing. So I want to make a video on that. We're going to look at that close up, show you a little bit about real quick what you get in the box with this and kind of the first impressions and what this is going to look like. So they put these convenient little strips right here that you can just pull these down and actually open up the back part of the box, which is nice and convenient there. And then you're in business and can open this thing up. So here it is. Zoom in here. So this is what you see when you first open the box here. So it's got the little pull tab there to pull this out. So you'll have the phone right here kind of wrapped in this plastic. And let's see here, so if we take off the back part right here, kind of hit this little pull tab there, pull that away. That just kind of comes off the phone there. It goes around onto the front too. Alright, yeah, some of the other things in here, you basically have right here is going to be the SIM card tool. So that is what you're going to use to pop out your SIM tray and put in your actual SIM into the device. And it kind of shows you how to do that. There's some other paperwork there. Looks like right here you are going to get a dongle, a USB to Type-C dongle right there. That is included. Then you've also got the actual Type-C, looks like here. So this is a Type-C to Type-C cable right there that you are going to get. And then down in the bottom of the box there, you are going to get your charging brick. So this charging brick is Type-C on the end here. So that is going to work well with that cable. That is Type-C to Type-C. So one end will go in here, other end will be going into your Pixel 3a, and that is going to be your charger. So it feels pretty good in the hand here. It's pretty comfortable. So it does have like a plasticky feel on the back to it, but it actually feels pretty good in the hand. Not real smooth. It feels like you got a good grip on it. That's in white light. I got a ring light right to the side of me there. So I know I got that kind of blue light on the background, but this is not being touched at all by that blue light. This is all just straight coming from the ring light on the side. Side here you got the little button, kind of the neon yellow button that goes pretty cool with the actual color of the phone. But yeah, the size of this is pretty cool. Definitely for someone like me with my hand size and that, the Pixel 3a XL would definitely be too big. You can kind of see here just how well it fits in the hand. I mean, reaching the unlock sensor there and everything. It's going to be a lot more manageable for somebody with like smaller hands for sure. So definitely, if you're not real concerned with having a real big screen, this is probably going to be a pretty great option for you. So on the bottom here you see the downward facing speakers on each side, and then you've got your Type-C USB right there. Actually on the top right here, that is where they've got the aux cable. So that has returned from the other models. My Pixel 2 did not have that, so this actually has the aux cable, so the return of the aux cable, so you could use a wired connection in, which is great. You've got a little microphone there on the top too, kind of on that other side right here. But yeah, right here on this side on the left, you've actually got your SIM card tray right there. You can see that little dot. So that's where you're going to use your SIM card tool to pop that out and actually put your SIM card in so that you can make phone calls on your network. And then on this right side, you've got that, of course, cool power button. You got the kind of neon yellowish look to it. Looks really sweet. And then you've got your volume rockers right there. So I believe, you know, on the black, like the just black Pixel 3a, it doesn't have any color there, any contrast. So I really like this model because of that. It looks really neat. It's got a cool little button there. Definitely helps with the design aspect and makes it stand out a little bit more. It's pretty cool. And then on the back here, of course, you've got your unlock sensor right there for fingerprint sensor. And then you've got your camera and your flash up top there. So this is going to have a great camera on it, one of the best in the business right now. Kind of big draw to this phone. It's got a really great, amazing camera for a good price. But yeah, taking a look at that color, this is the color of the phone here. So you see it's a little bit two-tone. Up top here you've got a little different, you can kind of see the gloss on it going back and forth here. Now, this is a little bit more like matte plastic here. Up top, that's a little bit more glossy. So I'd almost say this bottom here is a little bit more white. That's definitely a little more whitish looking. I'd say the top has a little bit more of a saturated look for kind of that like purplish color. But on the bottom here, I mean, it's a very, very light purple. It's almost like a bit of like a bluish color to it. So it's not something that's really, really going to stand out. It's cool because I think it does look a little bit better than just your plain white. But yeah, if you can tell like from afar, it probably almost even looks a little bit white to you. So it's a very subtle purple color. It's not very purple. It's not overly purple or anything like that. Of course, you can always, throw a case on this, throw skin on this as well, and things like that. And it's going to kind of change the look up even more. But definitely a cool phone. Great budget buy. But yeah, guys, like I said, I dedicated a lot of time to the Pixel 2 and coverage of that. So I'm going to have definitely a lot of Pixel 3a videos coming up on my channel here. So hit that subscribe button if that's something you're into. I'm going to have a few cases coming. Right now I'm going to be getting some cases from Tudia, from Supcase, and then I'm going to be reaching out to a few others. Also might compare, like I said, the Pixel 2 camera and this camera. See if that Pixel 2 visual core makes a difference in the processing of the photos. And see if you're going to be able to notice that in a direct comparison or not. So thank you guys for watching with me here today. You take care.